Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things health and wellness. Today, we are discussing a topic that is gaining a lot of popularity and has proven to be highly effective: plant-based diets. Segment 1. What is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet is a type of diet that focuses on consuming mostly plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It limits or eliminates the consumption of animal-based foods such as meat, dairy, and eggs. Why consider a plant-based diet? Studies have shown that a well-planned plant-based diet can help you lose weight, feel great, and improve your overall health. It is a low-fat, high-fiber diet that is rich in nutrients and has been linked to lower rates of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Segment 2, 60 seconds, how to get started with a plant-based diet. Starting a plant-based diet can seem overwhelming, but with a little planning and preparation, it can be easy and enjoyable. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Gradually transition to a plant-based diet by adding more plant-based foods to your meals and reducing the amount of animal-based foods. 2. Experiment with new recipes and ingredients to keep it interesting. 3. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. 4. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid making unhealthy choices. Segment 3. Common concerns about a plant-based diet. One of the biggest concerns about a plant-based diet is getting enough protein. However, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts that can provide all the protein your body needs. Another concern is getting enough essential nutrients such as iron and vitamin B12. These nutrients can be obtained from fortified plant-based foods or supplements. Segment 4. The benefits of a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet has numerous health benefits including 1. Weight loss and improved body composition. 2. Lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 3. Improved digestion and regularity. 4. Increased energy levels. 5. Better mental clarity and mood. Conclusion. In conclusion, a plant-based diet can be a great way to improve your health and well-being. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals while also achieving your health goals. Remember to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and listen to your body to ensure you are getting all the nutrients you need. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.